Man, guess who it is, bro? Guess who it is, bro? She was 1700 cuts, you feel me? But, yeah, you know, probably y'all gonna be like, oh, you ugly here. So, I'm gonna just show y'all, just put y'all on game about something, bro. Man, I'm just gonna put y'all on game, bro. So, I'm gonna tell you how it is, like, just being in the barber, just being a barber, or how it is being a barber type shit. Cause at the end of the day, you being a barber, you making cutting hair a profession type thing. So, you see what I'm saying? But, like, my intake on it is like, it's smooth, really. It's not even that hard. Like, you cutting hair for a long period of time, you tend to, like, you're doing something for a long period of time, you end up getting, you get good at it.
What the fuck?
To my gooder, but you get better at it, bro. Like, the more you do, the more easier it get, man. Like, with me, it started, like, I didn't know I was gonna be a barber type shit. Like, nobody knew I was gonna be a barber. Like, I didn't say I'm gonna be a barber. I just naturally started doing it. I was watching videos on YouTube, people just doing it, and I was like, I can do that. So, got my first pair of clippers, man. And then it was just cutting. But look, one thing you gotta do is invest in your clippers. So, like, if you're gonna, like, with anything, you gotta invest into it. So, like, I'm like, it's like, what I had to learn with cutting hair too is when you buy, it's best to buy the best product. Like, the most expensive thing is most likely the best thing. Some things that's not, like, less expensive is good too, but once you, like, say them clippers like $200, you spend $200 on that one thing that you just paid $200 for gonna make you way more than $200 at the end of the day. So it's best to invest, bro. It's best to invest. Stuff like that, man. Communication, networking, that they have. If you got great networking skills and you know how to cut, crazy. Like, it's smooth though, man. Like, look at this, bro. Blurred. I came from watching them to doing it. Now y'all, come on now. Yeah, this, look, my butt's blurred. Ooh. And y'all seen it before. Y'all seen what I'm doing. See, you can throw a line on this and they can be cool. See, that's why I like fading first before I even get to the line. I don't even want to do the line. I want everything faded, cut down. So when I throw that line on it, it's gonna be crispy. But I threw the guard off. Come here. Ooh. Hey, man, this smooth. Like, cause you gotta think about the bigger picture of it. Like, once you become a barber, then it becomes a business. Once it becomes a business, you can make more than one. You got one. You can turn that like to a shop. That shop turned into 3, 4, 5 different shops. So it came from you just doing this one thing, it came to that. So and then there's low key like barbering, but it's business aspect. Like, it's crazy. Look at the light. So you cut the line down. I cut it down with a 2. Then I went with a 1 close. That's to knock the top down because I don't want to take all of it off. But as you can see, his hairline is. You gotta make it. What, you come to look at the video or something? Hey, but let me tell you something. Come here. Hey man, go like, comment, and subscribe to my boy. 1700 cuts. You feel me? Alright. It's like what you put in is what you get out with it. So I know a lot of people that be cutting. Look at this food. Cool. Come get a haircut, cool. I'm the barber, cool. Look at me. I don't look like a barber. Come on, bro. Spray bottle. Come on, cool. I'm the barber, cool. My boy be tripping, bro. I don't know why he be tripping. I mean, you here. You might as well like come and subscribe. You should be. Brad, you saying you gotta make a hairline, man. This is like the rough draft of it. Doing a rough draft. Of course, I'm gonna try to clean it up, but this is the rough draft. Exactly. To make your hairline still try to keep it natural. And this is what I like. I try to show the time. Tell y'all that when you start cutting, do a lineup. Before you add the spray or the fiber, anything, make sure that everything is good. Yeah, you have to. It's a must. Try to make sure everything is good with the hairline. Tell me that's not crispy, bro. Tell me that's not crispy. It's crispy wispy. Come on now. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's crazy because I came from watching it to doing it. And I feel like now I'm doing, y'all gonna have a problem. Y'all gonna have a problem. Y'all gonna have a problem. I'm trying to tell you. If I have a problem. So, man, that's all I got for y'all, man. I'm out.